Y'all know that TikTok? Beep, you did a good job. Beep, you did a good job. Beep, you did a good job. That's how I'm feeling right now. I did a good job on this lace. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl. Hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling so good, y'all. I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling like somebody needs to take me on a date right now. Like, that's how I'm feeling. I'm feeling so good. I had to go ahead and light my Forever Mood bougie candle. That's how good I'm feeling. Anyway, so today we are talking about an affordable unit from Sensationnel. This is the Butta Lace 16. I told you guys a while ago I was gonna review this wig, and then I was like, okay, maybe I'll sell it. But then I changed my mind, and then I was like, no, stop selling all the wigs. Hold on, this light is way too bright. It's really late right now. I've never filmed this late before, so if the lighting looks a little bit different, it's because it's late. Yeah, so I decided to review this wig because I keep selling all my wigs, and I filmed another Butta Lace unit. I'm not sure how that's gonna drop, but I like that one, and all the Butta Laces that I've been reviewing so far, I actually like them, so I decided to keep this one. I'm gonna be showing you guys this Butta Lace number 16 in the color number 2. I'm also gonna be showing you guys basically how I got this look without baby hairs, because normally I put baby hairs, but this install is flawless and I am feeling myself. So I'm gonna show you guys this affordable unit, show you how to put it on, show you how to slay, and you know, look like we coming out the scalp. And then I'm gonna wrap it all up and tell you guys how I feel about this wig. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. It really helps push me out, okay? When you guys thumbs up videos and you comment and all that stuff, it really helps channels. We're not just saying like, comment, subscribe for no reason. We saying these things because it helps us. So go ahead and thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell too, boop, because I know you're gonna come back. You're gonna come back. If you like wig reviews, if you like makeup, if you like skincare, I got all of that on this channel. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so we about to get started up in here. So this is the Butta Lace 16, and I have the color number 2. So fresh out the pack, I was really impressed with this texture, y'all. It's a light yaki, and then the curls on here, really beautiful curls fresh out the pack. So this wig comes with your standard cap construction, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, a nice stretchy cap, and then I'm just showing you the lace hair, how it's not matching my skin, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. I start off with a hot comb, and I'm just brushing the baby hairs back. So I'm going in with a black wig cap also, that way you don't see the line of demarcation, and this wig is cute, y'all. We getting hype. I cut this lace off camera only because I struggle with cutting it sometimes on camera. So now I'm just using the foundation brush that I used to apply my makeup, and I'm applying that foundation to the lace. I think I went in after and just pretty much put it up under the lace, either way to make it easier. And then I'm going in with my Ebony York lace adhesive spray. This one gives like a temporary hold. It's not as firm as the red one, but depending on your hold is the one you want to use. But because I knew I wasn't going to wear it that long, probably like a day, I think I ended up wearing this, or I took it off that night. The yellow one for me works better, and it's also not as cakey. So I definitely recommend these Velcro bands. I'll leave a link below. I got these from Amazon. These are gonna melt your lace down. I think I forgot to mention that the blow dryer heat that I used was actually cool, and I made sure that it was a little tacky before I put on the Velcro. As that lace is melting, I'm just brushing out the hair, and then I go in with my hot comb, just smoothing out the root. You don't want to brush the hot comb throughout the whole hair because you will lose the texture. I just pretty much cleaned it up with alcohol, and that was it. All right, guys, so I'm done putting on this wig. It's so late right now. I've never filmed this late before. I think I need to turn up the light. I don't know. Ooh, that light. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that lighting. Look at what that just did for me. So the kids are asleep. Hubby's walking the dog. So I'm going to try to hurry up and wrap this up real quick because, like I said, it's late. So this is, again, the Butta Lace unit number 16. I have the color number 2. If you're not familiar with Butta Lace, I've reviewed a lot. This light is really, like, messing with my eyes. But I'm going to try to get through. Let's turn it down. I'm sorry. But yeah, so this is from the Butta Lace collection. I've reviewed tons of Butta Lace collections. At this point, I'm going to set up a playlist right here of all the different Butta Lace units that I have reviewed from Sensationnel because there's so many. This collection is a very beginner-friendly collection. This is basically like a downgrade from the What Lace Sensationnel collection. That What Lace collection has a whole lace frontal. This one, you're just going to get a lace part and you're going to get a hairline effect. So we're going to fake the hairline effect. We're going to fake it till we make it. That's what this is giving us. I'm going to read some specs. So it's like you get this little T-part effect. You're going to get lace in the middle and then you're going to get the lace going across. It says it's virtually undetectable HD lace. I get speechless when I say that because it's like after you do things it can be undetectable, yes, but you do have to blend this wig. It says that it's ear to ear, pre-pluck hairline, and natural density. Where y'all want to start? Where y'all want to start? What y'all want to know first? Let's go ahead and talk about this lace. So this lace is melted down, y'all. Like, I did a good job. Like, y'all know that TikTok? Beep, you did a good job. Beep, you did a good job. Beep, you did a good job. That's how I'm feeling right now. I did a good job on this lace. So I went in a little different with my technique this time. I was lazy for a while of just trying to put the powder on top of it and trying to, I don't know. But I also do go in with my foundation brush. This is the brush that I use to apply my makeup. And whatever is left on this brush, I press it into the lace. Basically like going in with like liquid foundation underneath your lace or powder foundation underneath your lace and spraying it. Whatever, same technique. Go in with your foundation underneath your lace. I didn't use lace tint spray. I basically blended it in like that. I also did go in with my contour stick. This is a cream contour stick. In my review for Bobbi Boss, I think it's Mabel, I did this technique and then I kind of forgot. But it's like, okay, I did that before. So I got reminded that I have done that before. So that's what I'm doing now. After you do your foundation, go in with your darker powder or cream for your contour. And it's definitely not giving a cast. Like I told y'all, it's late. These lights are bright. And who don't have a cast? Who don't have a cast on this wig? I'm excited, y'all. I really took my time with this wig and it's laid and slayed. I also did not go in with baby hairs. So the way you can get away with not going in with baby hairs, I realized, is you have to melt this lace. You have to melt it. I tweezed this lace, or I attempted to. I kind of gave up a little bit. But I did tweeze some of this hairline just to kind of break it up because it's so straight and it's so dense. With synthetic units, sometimes it's so hard to tweeze synthetic versus human hair that sometimes I just give up, but that's another story. You have to tweeze this hairline a little bit to make it look more realistic. So that's the key right there. And also going in with your hot comb, I'm gonna say it again, going in with your hot comb is going to definitely, when you see we go and we straighten this part and we flatten this part and we do all that stuff, it's because the wig is not looking so humpy anymore. It's not looking like you put a wig on your head. It's flat because it's looking like it's coming out of your scalp. I saw one video and it was a guy reviewing a wig and he asked, why do black women like flat wigs? We like flat wigs because we like it to look like it's coming out of our scalp. When you have all that humpiness going on, it looks like it's your grandma's wig that we used to wear back in the day. Wigs don't look like that anymore. So when you go in with flatness and all that stuff, it's looking more natural, it's looking more realistic. All these things matter. Definitely go in with the hot comb. Definitely go in with a darker shade. My foundation was a little bit too light since I came back from vacation. It was just too light. So darker is the key. I went in with some powder on the parting space. Who don't have baby hairs? Who don't? This girl don't. I don't have no baby hairs. But to each his own. If you want to use baby hairs, use baby hairs. I'ma still use baby hairs here and there. I'm impressed with the fact that I didn't use baby hairs and it's looking so realistic. And I also believe that using that elastic band makes such a huge difference when you melt your lace. You have to melt it down and it has to be tight. Gotta be tight. So that all makes a difference. As far as the adhesive that I use, this Ebony New York Wonder Spray, this gives an amazing hold. It's not coming off. Like, we gonna be tugging. And I noticed that this lasts a while. It does get a little bit cakey, so you do have to go on with your alcohol and kind of wipe off the residue that it leaves on the hair, but that's fine. Speaking of the hair, y'all ready to talk about this texture? This texture is bomb. This texture is definitely yucky, blown out texture. Like, this texture is beautiful. It is slightly dry to me. I did have to go in with my synthetic wig spray just to kind of like condition it a little bit, moisten it, soften it up a little bit. And I did go in with a little bit of gloss serum. I tell you guys this stuff all the time. When you go in with the gloss, it kind of coats the hair and it helps glide your fingers through it a little bit better. That's why you're using serum. That's why you're using wig spray. It's really helping to coat the hair because these are synthetic plastic fibers. Keep that in mind. I really love the style on this. It's the classic go-to style. It's so pretty. These curls are just beautiful. These curls are beautiful. This is the length. It's not too long. In the back, oh, I lied. In the back is definitely longer. Who said? I said this wig is not too long. This wig is long, y'all. So in the back, in the back she's longer. Look at me telling y'all it's not too long. This wig is long. It is starting to get a little tangly. You definitely do have to go in with, you know, use your serum, use your wig spray. That doesn't mean it's gonna last all night, but it does help. And also a brush. You're gonna need a brush because it is getting a little tangly, but it's expected. I do think this would last a little bit longer because of the texture of this wig. Most silkier wigs, to me personally, tangle up a little bit quicker, but when you start adding a little bit yucky, oh, that's so pretty. Oh, she's cute. When you add a little bit yucky to it, it lasts longer. I feel like this wig is like a comparable, affordable option to, it's like Adanna mixed with Dasha to me, because you have all the curls going around, but then you have the sleekness and the flatness of the wig. No, it's not like Adanna and Dasha. I don't know who I'm telling you. No, those wigs were thicker. This is sleeker, but yet it's kinky. You're gonna get some texture to it. So I like the sleekness of it, but yet I like the fact that it's giving us texture. There's a lot of other pretty colors in here. You're gonna get all your flamboyage colors. No money piece colors in here, but flamboyage colors. Overall, I do like this wig. I think she's definitely a great, affordable, baddie on a budget wig. This wig is under $40. If you're not ready to pay for a frontal, you're not gonna get all that lace frontal to play with. You're only gonna get this lace part. If you want to shift it, maybe you shift it before you put it on, but to each his own. This is a great affordable option. This is gonna give you the looks. This is gonna give you a lot. I like this wig. I think she's a winner. Absolutely. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.
Flashback. End of flashback.